skid plate. Holy. Okay, we have Toyota Tacoma. It got into a car accident on this side. They've replaced body panels plus upper and lower control arms. So now we're gonna get it right. Here's our alignment right here. You're in front of the sensor. Come on, cameraman. This is what we're working with. They also have leveling kit on it, so that should be interesting. Let's get it fixed. All right, we're gonna start off by taking off the skid plate. Holy, don't do that. About hit me right in the noggin. Set that guy off to the side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off by adjusting these boys to get our camber and caster adjusted. We're gonna make all this stuff look perfect. So the passenger side will get done first. Go ahead and loosen these, about like that. So we'll just stack these guys. As you can see right there, we'll get them on top of each other as much as they can be. And then we'll slide everything over. So we got plenty of adjustment on these Toyotas. And you can see right there that they slide together now that we stacked them. The old stack and drag technique. Look at how pretty that is. It's perfect. And this nifty little tool right here lets us extend our wrench for some more leverage. So we can really cinch them down. That ain't going nowhere. Same thing for this side. There we go, all right. Next side. So driver's side, that's a lot to drag right there. So we're gonna get those as close as possible, obviously, because you can't adjust any more than what we have. So we'll get started on that. Go ahead and loosen this guy up. And I'll go ahead and show y'all on this side that you can physically see the wheel moving whenever I move this adjuster. I'll show y'all that right now. So whenever I twist this, get a close up on this right here. Whenever I twist this right here, this bolt right here, this whole cam moves in between these guards. And then that's what happens with the wheel. Whenever we adjust, you'll see everything move back and forth like that. And that's how you adjust stuff. Oh yeah, so we're maxed out on this side. So like I was talking about earlier with stacking and dragging, whenever we go to try to stack them like this one, so let's say one's right here and then the other's right here. Whenever we stack them, they come together like this. This side's so far out. This was the non-hit side, by the way, too. So this side could be worn because this side was the hit side where everything's brand new now, if that makes sense. So now we have camber up here, caster down here. This is as max as we can get to them being parallel with each other. So now we're gonna have to give some on the caster wise, but caster doesn't have tire wear. So we'll take away some caster just to get our camber perfect. But we don't want to do too much or else we'll have a pull. So what we want to try to do as much as possible is match the other side's camber like that to where the car rides evenly going straight on a flat road. But now we have to where our caster's zeroed out and our caster's +2 on the passenger side. You really want about 0.5 of a difference from passenger to driver. You want your driver's side to be 0.5 less than your passenger side because of road crown. Road crown is where the roads, the way they're built, it's like this, but you can't really see it, but that's so rainwater rides off the road. And if you do 0.5 less on the driver's side, you don't have pull while you're driving. So the numbers aren't even, because even looks better, and even in theory is better until you put road crown into the mix, and then you have to take 0.5 away. So now that we have our camber adjusted evenly, caster away, but we can still keep 0.3 to where we have 0.5 on this side and 0.0 on this side. And by the way, this isn't for any specialty vehicles or alignments like that. This is strictly for, you know, your daily regular vehicles. And then we'll match all this stuff up and make it look good. Caster is nowhere near as damaging to tires as camber is, so you can have caster be in the red, but we would rather not have camber be in the red whatsoever. We would like that to be to close to factory spec as possible. But we also want our camber the same. There it is. And that right there, with this being a wrecked vehicle also, is on the money. All right, so now that we have camber and caster fully adjusted, we're gonna move on to our toe, and that's the final thing. So take off our lock nut right here. Sometimes these guys get seized up, sometimes they don't. Some days you get lucky, some days you don't. So we'll just adjust these to factory specifications, which Hunter has for every vehicle. Just pull those in. So we get it right on the line, just like that. This much adjustment to be done. This first round pretty much means nothing. So we get everything super close in, and then if we get everything right on the money or whatever, we have to still re-roll it to make sure and confirm that those numbers are 100% correct. So whenever we re-roll this, it was so far out from the beginning that we're gonna have to do it twice, maybe even 3 times. But we'll see. 0.3, there it is. So actually our numbers held very, very well to what they were, but we're still gonna do a re-roll just to verify everything for sure. Rolled it. This side was maxed out. This is as much as it can be adjusted. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and move this side. So remember the 0.5 thing. So on this side for caster, passenger side, we'll be at 0.7, and then we'll keep these at 0.3 like last time. Turn off before and current so the customer can see what we did. All right, so this is the sheet showing before and after. This is our before, this is our after. These are all the good numbers that everybody wants to see. Green means good, red means bad. And then once I get done with this, I will take this up front to the service advisor where they can show it to the customer. And then also I have one more thing to do back here, which is reset the steering angle sensor. And then once that's done, everything's all good. I go test drive the vehicle, make sure it drives straight with my hands on, with my hands off. And then after that, it's good to go.